Your heat pump has stopped working. Kind of. An intermittent failure could mean trouble with your TXV. In this video, we'll discuss what a TXV is, how a failing one can spell disaster, and more importantly, when proper diagnosis can save you from burning a hole in your wallet. Hi, I'm Joe with Apex Pros. In the complex world of heat pump systems, the thermal expansion valve, or TXV, plays a pivotal role, yet it often goes unnoticed. This key component is vital in regulating refrigerant flow, directly impacting the efficiency and effectiveness of your heat pump. Acting as a precision regulator, the TXV continuously adjusts varying thermal loads and environmental conditions. It's this adaptive capability that keeps your heating cooling system running optimally, ensuring that your home remains a haven of comfort regardless of the weather outside. A heat pump's TXV acts as a regulator, modulating the flow of refrigerant based on the cooling or heating demand. It's the unseen hero, maintaining the balance between efficiency and capacity. This is much like how cruise control in a car adjusts the vehicle speed to maintain a constant set velocity regardless of uphill or downhill roads. The TXV seamlessly adapts to external temperature fluctuations, ensuring your heat pump operates at peak efficiency. When a TXV fails, it can significantly disrupt the performance of your heat pump. A malfunctioning TXV can lead to improper refrigerant flow, causing the heat pump to either overwork or underperform. This not only leads to inefficiency and temperature regulation, but can also increase energy consumption and costs. In extreme cases, a failed TXV might cause the heat pump to freeze over or overheat, leading to potential system damage or a complete breakdown altogether. This emphasizes the importance of timely maintenance and repair, ensuring that minor issues with the TXV don't escalate into major system failures. One common misconception about TXVs is the rush to replace them when a heat pump malfunctions. Like misinterpreting a faltering cruise control as a major engine problem, a struggling TXV often doesn't signal it's at the end of its life. In many cases, it might just need recalibrated or cleaning. Because the TXV is such a high-dollar part to install, regular maintenance checks can identify whether your TXV is truly at fault or simply requires a tune-up to restore its functionality. A professional technician can often recalibrate the TXV to restore its efficiency, just as a car mechanic adjusts the cruise control settings. This not only saves costs, but also extends the life of your heat pump. A lesser-known fact about TXVs is their vulnerability during installation. When brazing, which is the process of joining two metals by melting and flowing a filler metal into the joint, carelessness can lead to burning up a valve. This is akin to damaging a car's cruise control through improper electrical installations. It's crucial for technicians to follow proper installation protocols, including using a heat sink to protect the TXV from excessive heat during brazing. So, all this considered, the TXV plays a crucial role in maintaining efficiency and performance of your HVAC system. Understanding its function, the importance of proper maintenance, and the risks associated with installation can help you make informed decisions about your heating and cooling system. Remember, a well-maintained TXV ensures a smooth and efficient journey, just like a perfectly calibrated cruise control. Diagnosing a malfunctioning part takes time, but could save you a considerable amount of money if diagnosed properly. If you found this video useful, give it a like, get your friends to give it a like, your family a like, and subscribe for more videos. If you need any assistance, please call us. Visit our website for a free estimate. Check the video description for more information. Thanks again for watching.